Now, this is a program that's just asking you to write a subroutine. So we need to be able to write a subroutine. So in Python, that's a definition. And it's telling us lots of useful things in here, such as what it's going to be called. So we need to use these things in the exam, exactly how that is, in order to get the correct marks. And we're going to get some marks just for writing that much. So this is just writing a definition. So if we start with def, and it's called count days. And it tells us that it's got a parameter. So it's got days a museum was open as the parameter. So let's say days in there. And we've written our first line of our definition, and it's going to get us at least a mark or two for that, even if we didn't do anything else. So again, if you're not sure, then at least do a bit of it. This stuff's mostly written in the question for you. Okay, so let's have a count as 0, because we need to count how many of these days that there were more than 200 visitors. So it gets the user to enter the number of visitors the museum has had for those days. So we'll use a for loop for this. So for I in range 0 to days, days is the parameter here. Then we get the input, visitors. We'll just think about that for a minute. It's a data type that we need to use, integer, because we'd like it to be a number. So you can write something in there, but you don't have to. So then if visitors is more than 200, because we're counting days where more than 200 visitors happened, we're going to add 1 to count. And when we've finished the for loop, we're just going to return the value of count. So this is a function. We're sending a parameter of days, and we're returning the value of count. So that was 6 marks for that one. As I say, if you weren't too sure, then you could have got at least 2 just for writing that first line.